Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today's weekend and I decided to make some fish roll for my family. So while you watch the process of how I made this yummy fish roll, I want you to learn something today. And today we're going to be talking about something to lift your spirit, something to learn from, right? Okay, so I'm going to talk about 5 lifestyle etiquette. Yeah, let me go that way. 5 lifestyle etiquette. And number one I want to talk about is this: do not go to people's house uninvited. I repeat, do not go to people's house uninvited. Yeah. A lot of people, they pay visit to people without informing, pre-noticing them, and when you get there you find out that some are not happy to receive you to their house, probably because of one thing or the other. But if you have noticed them that you were coming to pay them visit, you would know if to go or not, and somehow it affects you also. You may feel bad that you were not welcome. So learn to notify people before visiting them. And number 2 etiquette I'm going to talk about is this: learn to set boundaries. Yeah, you need to learn to set boundaries between friends, family members. This will help you to go a long way. Learn to set your boundaries. No matter how close you are to people, just learn to set boundaries. And what does this bring? When you set boundaries, it brings respect. It makes people to respect you. They don't know too much about you because of the boundaries that you set. And number 3 etiquette I'm going to talk about today is this: stop pleasing people. Do what is right, right? Do what is right, but stop pleasing people. Yeah, you may want to do what is right, and in the long way you please people and displease yourself. Do not do things to please people. Anything you know it is inconveniencing to you, say no to it. Not every time you say yes to people, not every time you say no. Do not displease yourself to please people, because you can never satisfy people no matter how much you try. You can never satisfy people. And the 4th one I'm going to talk about is: do not tamper with people's properties without permission. Somebody putting things in your care and you just go ahead and use it without permission from them, it can cause distrust. These people will not want to trust you with their items, their properties. So it is only right that when people put things in your care, always seek for permission before making use of it, to avoid distrust. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to talk about today is: respect people no matter the position, the space or level that they occupy. Respect people. Respect people. I hope you learned something from this 5 etiquette of lifestyle. Bye.